VK5MTM, VK5MRD, how do you copy, Theo?
Yeah, loud and clear, mate. Radio sounds good, over.
Oh, good. I don't have a signal meter on this radio, but you're coming through quite good, mate. Yeah, good audio. I've got about 50 towers to fold. So yeah, appreciate you coming up. I'm just taking a short video of my end, actually. So do you reckon it sounds okay? I know the audio is probably not quite the same as what you're used to. Yeah, VK5MTM, VK5MRD. Yeah, no worries, Theo. I think mid power on your radio is about 15 watts. Yeah, coming through quite good. So if you go down to low, I guess that's 5 watts. We'll see how we go. I've just stopped recording. What I might get you to do in a minute, we might try maybe Houghton and give that a go, and maybe after that quick one on RAD, just to see what it sounds like going through the repeater there, Theo. Go ahead. Hey, good stuff, Theo. Yeah, coming through beautiful through this repeater, and I'm not sure exactly what the power is on this radio. It could be 20, maybe 25, maybe 30 watts if I'm lucky, but I think it's somewhere between 20 to maybe 25. But yeah, the speaker's actually quite good, built into the detach head. So yeah, I think I sent you some pictures of it. Mainly just for listening, but as long as it sounds half decent, I guess I can transmit on it. But yeah, these have been known for weird sort of audio, but hopefully it's not too bad. VK5MTM, VK5MRD. I don't know if you can hear me on the Barossa. It's obviously a little bit weak to me because the antenna's so low. It's a pity I couldn't have the twin Yogies hooked up to this one. Alright, I think I can also hit Wollonga. Do you want to try Wollonga? Okay, well to me this one sounds better than Barossa, not quite as good as Elizabeth. Have you got much white noise with me?
Very little. There is a bit there, but it's very little. Your strength 9 on the signal on the S meter.
Okay, yeah, good stuff, mate. Alright, do you want to quickly QSY to RAD, and then I'll catch you back on that simplex frequency. 5 Mike Tango Mike, VK5MTM, VK5MRD.
Yeah, loud and clear, Dave.
Obviously this one here is the strongest, and it's definitely got the most quietening. Good stuff, Theo. I appreciate the little check there. It's